See the problem number 8. If cot A equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay, if cot 3 cot A equal to 4, then we will check is it correct or not. LHS equal to RHS is correct or not. So first, what is given? See the solution. What is given? Given 3 cot A equals to 4. So cot A equals to 4 by 3. Cot A equals to 4 by 3. So cot A equals to, what is the cot A definition? Cot A definition, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. So adjacent is to opposite equals to 4 is to 3. Therefore adjacent equals to, this is the ratio, 4k, opposite equals to 3k, where k is a constant. So draw a triangle. So ABC, angle B is right angle. So adjacent is 4k, opposite is 3k. Okay. From triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB value how much? 4k. 4k whole square plus BC value 3k. Okay. 4k whole square is nothing but 4 square value 16k square. 3 square value 9k square. What is this? AC square. AC square equals to 16k square plus 9k square is 25k square. So AC equals to how much? Square root of 25k square. Square root of 25 value 5. Square root of k square value, square root of k square value k. Okay. This is the value of AC. No? So AC is how much? 5k. Okay. Now we will prove that LHS is equal to RHS or not. So LHS, what is LHS here? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So 1 minus tan A definition is side opposite to A by side adjacent to A. Side opposite to A is BC. Side adjacent to A is AB square whole square by 1 plus AB. Side opposite to A by side adjacent to A. BC by AB whole square. That equals to 1 minus BC value how much? 3k. BC value 3k. 3k by AB value 4k square by 1 plus 3k by 4k whole square. That equals to 1 minus 3 square 9k square by 4 square 16k square or 1 plus 3 square k square. So 9k square by 16k square. See now 16k square into 1 is 16k square minus 9k square by 16k square. In the denominator, here 16k square is there. 16k square into 1 is 16k square plus 9k square. Okay. That equals to 16k square plus 9k square is 7k square by, so here 16k square cancel. 16k square plus 9k square is 25k square. Now k square get cancelled. K square cancel. So final answer is 7 by 25. This is LHS. Now find the value of RHS. RHS. So this is LHS. So what is RHS? Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A. Cos A is nothing but side adjacent to A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to A is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Square minus sin A. Side opposite to A by hypotenuse. Side opposite to A is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. Square. So AB value how much? AB value is 4k. BC value is 5k square minus AC value is 5k. Next BC value 3k by 5k whole square. So 4 square 16k square by 25k square minus 9k square by 25k square. Here 25k square is LCM. So 16k square minus 9k square. 16k square minus 9k square is how much? 7k square by 25k square. So k square get cancelled. 7 by 25. Okay, see the LHS part 7 by 25, RHS part 7 by 25. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. LHS value 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A equals to RHS value how much? Cos square A minus sin square A.